Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Arshia. I am a third year law student currently suffering from sick throat. So excuse my voice. मैं YouTube पे वीडियोस डाल रही हूँ करीबन 2 साल से and I'm running out of ideas now. I went on Pinterest for new ideas and top 5 में कहीं ना कहीं ये था a booktube newbie tag. Or since I am old and I have never properly introduced myself on my channel, so I thought why not do it now. So here we are. And I am not a Disney princess fan. This is just a prop for aesthetics. पहला सवाल है why did you start the channel? ये चैनल मैंने स्टार्ट किया था purely for business. मेरा आइडिया था to promote my book, my poetry collection, my self-published poetry collection. Back then I did not have a TikTok account, I did not have Instagram account, nor Facebook account. I thought कि YouTube is the best platform for me to promote my book. That's why I started a YouTube channel. अगर आप जाके मेरे पुराने short videos देखोगे तो they are all about my book, the aesthetics, the vibe, etc. And then I thought कि कोई मेरे books के वास्ते मेरे channel को क्यों subscribe करेंगे, and I slowly expanded to recommending other books as well. तो वहाँ से शुरुआत हुई थी ये journey की. Next, what are some fun and unique things you can bring to BookTube? ओके, जो हिसाब से बुकट्यूब के न्यू बुकट्यूबर्स जो सामने आ रहे हैं उन हिसाब से आई डोंट थिंक आई कैन रियली ऑफर एनीथिंग फन एंड यूनिक. सब जने बहुत फन है, सब जने बहुत क्रिएटिव है. आई एम अमेज्ड बाय द क्रिएटिविटी ऑफ ऑल द other booktubers. So I am just a boring Muslim hijabi law student who loves reading books and has a superiority complex because she reads a lot of non-fiction books. If that is unique, then you're welcome to subscribe. Next, what are you most excited for about this new channel? Okay, about this newly old channel, I'm excited to meet like-minded people because I know there are a lot of like-minded people out there. मेरे जो community है, मेरे जो surrounding है, वहाँ पर I don't really have people जिसके साथ I can talk about the books that I read. उनके reading taste और मेरे reading taste बहुत ही different है. We have opposite likes and dislikes. We have very opposite reading taste. We are very polar opposites. और मैं ऐसी बंदी हूँ जो books जो पढ़ते हैं. I'm very selective about the books that I read, and people around me are they can just read any kind of book. They are not that picky when it comes to reading, and we don't really overlap at any juncture to talk about the same books. The books that I love, but I cannot talk about it because किसी और ने नहीं पढ़ा था मेरी community में. For example, Namal was a Urdu book which I loved. The writing was marvelous, but मेरे community में, मेरे surrounding में, no one read it. सब जने पीरे कामिल पढ़े थे, अमीर बैल पढ़े थे, आबे हयात पढ़े थे. There are many books जो लोगों ने पढ़े, but they never read Namal. और I never read all those, but I read Namal. I thought ki this is also a good way for me to express my opinions about books and talk about books. Why do you love reading? Oh, okay. I love reading because it helps me understand the world better. I think that's the perfect thing. It helps me make sense of this insane world. मेरे ख्याल से किसी का quote भी है along the same lines that says how bookish I am, how nerdy I am. But yeah, I think किसी का quote भी है. Reading helps you make sense of this insane world along those lines, and that's what it is. Reading helps me become a better person and understand the world better. I cannot just turn off the reality and go into the book world and forget about everything else. Not that magical for me. It's just, yeah, it's sweet escapism that it's not that high जैसे लोग उसको describe करते हैं. मेरा reading experience is not that grandiose. It's not that उतना कुछ महान काम नहीं है. I just read non-fiction, that's it. What book or series got you into reading? Okay, so I started reading when I was in fourth grade because my father had a collection of books in his drawer. I can say in his bedstand table. He had books, non-fiction books, The Rich Dad Poor Dad, Think and Grow Rich, If I Can You Can, and many others. और वहाँ से मेरे को books के बारे में पता चला, and I picked up Rich Dad Poor Dad. That was technically the first book that I have read, and उसके बाद I never completed that one because obviously I cannot understand many of the terms which were in that. Just say liabilities, assets, investments, mortgage, real estate, commission. I cannot understand all this humongous word when I was in fourth grade. I think my first book which I completed from page to page was If I Can You Can, and मैं वही 4 बुक्स जो भी मेरे फादर के पास थे वही मैं ऑब्वियसली हर बार वही रीड करती थी, बिकॉज मेरे को ये दिमाग में कॉन्सेप्ट ही नहीं आया कि दैट आई कैन बाय न्यू बुक्स, वो कभी मेरे को दिमाग में आया ही नहीं। बिकॉज मेरे घर के पास जो भी स्टेशनरी शॉप्स है वहां पर सिर्फ और सिर्फ कॉलेज रिलेटेड बुक्स रहते हैं या फिर एकेडमिक्स बुक रहते हैं, जो डोंट रियली हैव एनी स्टोरी बुक्स और कॉमिक्स और एनीथिंग। द फर्स्ट बुक विच गॉट मी इनटू नॉन फिक्शन वाज इफ आई कैन यू कैन। और फिक्शन में okay, story time, when I was in ninth grade, my father took me to this bookstore, a proper bookstore, which is a Himalaya bookstore. वहां पर I was like, I walked in, I was like, this is paradise. खत्म यही है भाई जिंदगी। And वहां पर I was just walking through the aisles. There were books, like stacks of books. That was my first time watching a bookshelf, book racks filled with different, so many different books. And that realization hit me hard. I cannot express how different that feeling was for me, being a person who have never actually witnessed a rack full of books. That was my first interaction with books, and wahan se I think I bought 2 books. One was The Ultimate Productivity, and second was The Land of Stories ki series first wali book. And then I got slowly ek ke baad ek I ordered 6 books and I read all the 6. Next is, what questions would you ask your favorite booktubers? Okay, questions to as such kuch nahi hai, but I do have one question, that how do you describe a book so eloquently, so gracefully, that the person listening to the description is forced to pick up that book? इस हिसाब से वो लोग बुक को डिस्क्राइब करते हैं that you have to read it right now. And I wish I could have that ability, just sell a book any moment. मैं कभी भी किसी बुक के बारे में बात करूँ, people are just bored. They are like, दुनिया में सब कुछ पढ़ लूंगी पर ये बुक नहीं पढ़ूंगी. And I don't want that to happen. I want to be able to describe a book in such a beautiful way that people want to actually read. I want to be that person, because of whom a person find his or her most favorite book of their life. Because I have such YouTubers, I have some people in my life, just this I found books that I will never ever forget. Like my friend who recommended Namal, I will be forever grateful for her to recommending me that book, introducing that book to me, introducing Urdu literature to me. To be honest, I will forever remember her, and along the same lines, I want to be that person for someone. Next is, what challenges do you think starting a booktube channel will be the hardest to overcome? Okay. Since I'm already here, I do know a few challenges beforehand, which I have experienced myself. एक तो है कि standing out, it's really really very hard to stand out. ठीक है, you just cannot stand out. You don't even have to try to stand out. You just have to be genuine. But अपन जब camera start होता, we all get to be pretentious. We all try to fake this personality that we are not. I'm guilty myself. It is human nature, I think. आप अपने आप को इंटरेस्टिंग बनाने के चक्कर में क्रिंज बना देते हैं, एंड आई थिंक दैट्स द वर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ बीइंग नॉट जस्ट बुक ट्यूबर बट बीइंग अ इन्फ्लुएंसर इन जनरल। आप कैमरा स्टार्ट होते कि यू बिकम अनदर पर्सनालिटी which comes across as cringe and pretentious, और लोग समझ जाते कि this is not your authentic self, this is not your natural self. Maybe I'm trying to grow out of it, but it never happens. It just comes with more experience. So I would advise, rather, if you are a new booktuber as well, I would advise you to just keep going, just keep trying. एक के बाद एक हल्लू हल्लू you will improve. And I'm also trying to get comfortable on camera. I'm trying to get comfortable in my own nature, and I have forgotten about being an interesting and funny person, because that's not me. I cannot make anyone laugh. That's not me. Why is this turning into a very self-demeaning video? But that's the biggest challenge to everyone is trying so hard to stand out, to grab someone's attention, that you're going beyond your original self. That is the first one. Second problem is that you lose your reading taste. Try not to lose your own taste. Okay, I have seen many people who pick up books just because they are famous, and just because of those books they are getting new video. Stick to your authentic self, and don't fall prey to numbers. Numbers are just numbers at the end of the day. वो कुछ आपको they won't bring you a lasting satisfaction. Okay, बुक टिप के चक्कर में अपना रीडिंग टेस्ट मत, डोंट फॉरगेट योर रीडिंग टेस्ट. remember, the end goal is to enjoy reading. That's the end goal, not to get views, not to grow your YouTube channel, not to become an influencer, not to make money, not to monetize anything. The end goal is to enjoy reading and make other people enjoy reading as well. When did you start reading? Okay, I think I have already answered that one. I started reading when I was in fourth grade. uh, I started with Rich Dad Poor Dad, and when I was in eighth grade, I got this obsessed. I was obsessed with improving myself in trying to earn money as much as possible in getting rich, and I was reading nonfiction back to back, and I started earning right when I was in ninth grade. और मैं बहुत obsessed हो गई थी with making money, improving myself, and becoming the bestest version of myself. Fourth grade, when I started reading, but I genuinely got into reading when I was in eighth. Eighth was like a super, it was like comeback era for me. My first fiction book was when I was in ninth. So that's when I started reading. Next is, where do you read? I read anywhere and everywhere. पहले ऐसा होता था कि I need to read in a room, एक रूम में जहाँ पर मेरे अलावा कोई और ना हो. Even if they are just sitting and breathing, I don't like it. Just I don't want anyone in the room beside me. अगर आप कुछ भी नहीं कर रहे हैं, कुछ बात भी नहीं कर रहे, कुछ फोन भी स्क्रॉल नहीं कर रहे, आप सिर्फ सांस ले रहे, तो भी मेरे को दिक्कत है. And I used to get away from that person. पर अब ऐसा हो रहा है कि I am carrying books with me anywhere I go. मैं कॉलेज हो गए तो भी आई एम कैरिंग बुक्स विथ मी. इफ आई एम गोइंग समवेयर एल्स, आई एम कैरिंग बुक विथ मी. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि मैं पढूँ उसे, बट आई लाइक द सेंस ऑफ हैविंग अ फिजिकल कॉपी ऑफ अ बुक विथ मी. आई डोंट नो, इट इज़ वेरी reassuring for me. Recently I went to farm house, and वहाँ पे भी I was carrying book with me. I got to read, I think, a couple of chapters. After that I did not pick that book up because we were so engrossed in enjoying ourselves, just enjoying. And मैं book के बारे में भूल गई थी, but it was very reassuring to have that physical copy with me. I don't know how this even developed, but when I notice it is there, that I have that habit. Now, whenever, wherever I go, I'm carrying any book. It doesn't have to be the book that I'm currently reading. Any book, I just want to carry it with me. And a book has become a constant companion for me. Even though I know कि मेरे phone में already बहुत सारे PDFs downloaded है, I can always read a book. I can always access a book if I want. But मेरे को physical copies से, I don't know, एक sense of attachment हो गया over the time. What kind of books do you like to read? Okay, I like to read anything and everything other than horror and romance. Horror and romance are the two things, two genres which I never want to explore. I don't want to go into that at all. But mostly I like non-fiction books which make me think, which gives me that aha moment, makes world a better place, makes me a better person. Okay, so I have three more questions, three or four, okay, four more questions by the club members. I have a book club. You can join Shawkins Book Club. It's free. I will have the link in the description. So वहाँ पर I sent a message कि I'm going to record this video, a newbie book tag video, and if you have any questions, please send across. So I have four questions from my members. First is, what has inspired you to open a YouTube channel? Pure money, pure business. As I said, it was for me, YouTube was a tool to promote my book. Than that, now I'm just enjoying talking about books because I don't really have a community, as I said before. So now I'm just enjoying making videos and talking about and yapping about books morely. If you were to be a character from any of the book, what would you be and from which book? Okay, there are many. Okay, there are many. First would be Sherlock Holmes from the Sherlock Holmes series. Then suddenly I have forgotten all the books that I have read. I think Faris from Namal. Faris ka character would be pretty interesting to play. Witty, smart, has all the resources, is the go-to person for everything that you need, reliable, sensible, responsible. I would love to be Faris Ghazi. Enola Holmes from the series. I forgot the name of the series. But yeah, Enola Holmes would be nice. Enola Holmes. I will go with Enola Holmes for now. Okay, next, if you want to bring something in real life from the book, what would it be? Okay, okay. For now, let's just go with the magical book from the land of stories. The land of stories book from the land of stories, because I literally cannot think of anything right now. Pick top three books for different moods. If I'm confused, I would go to The Courage to be Disliked. If I'm in a creative block, my go-to book would be The Little Prince. And third one, for a lighter note, a good pleasant book for a pleasant cozy vibe, evening vibe. I would say you to go to the Pride and Prejudice. That's a pretty amazing classic. Yeah, that's all. I'm done. So that's all for this video. I'll see you all in the next video, which I am doing, which will be a challenge, inshallah, and hopefully you will like it. It's kind of different. It's different from my usual type of videos. I'm challenging myself, and let's see how it goes. बताओ आपके क्या है अगर आप एक न्यू यूट्यूब चैनल स्टार्ट करते अब बुक ट्यूब चैनल स्टार्ट करते और you had to answer all these 10 questions, all these 10 questions, what would your answers be? Let me know in the comments below. See you in the next video. Until then, Allah Hafiz, happy reading.